A very good morning to all of you. A warm welcome to English class. Today we will study Unit-3, Class-6th, Practice Book, Subject English, Topic Determiners. Part 1. Let's get started. Here we go. Definition. Determiners are the words placed before a noun. So now you will identify it by this definition that determiners are the words placed before a noun. Placed before a noun. So you will check the noun and before that we will place a determiner. For example, this, that, those, and, the, my, your, his, her, its, some, any, many, few, etc. are called determiners. For example, my book, some water, much sugar, many pencils. So here these are, first look at the nouns because we are to we read in the definitions that before a noun we use determiners. So these are determiners which are circled: my, some, much and many. Now nouns: book, water, sugar, pencils. We know name of place, person, thing is a noun. Now types of determiners. So determiners are of 6 types. First type is articles: a, an, and the. Second type, possessives, which shows ownership. That shows that you are owner of something. For example, my book, my house, my phone, your house, your book, your phone, his car, her car, our house, your house, their house, one's duty, etc. Next one, demonstratives. Examples: this, these, that, those. These flowers are looking very beautiful. This house is red in color. Then that house is blue in color. Those are my books. Next is distributives. Next type is distributives: each, every, neither, either. Next, quantifiers: some, any, no, much, more, few, least, several, enough, etc. Interrogatives: what, which, whose, etc. So then what we will do now? First type, we are going to study in detail the first type of determiners. So now it is about articles. We will study in detail. Articles are of 2 types. Article A and N are indefinite articles and article the is definite articles. We will study them one by one. So as I told you, article A and N are indefinite article and article the is definite article. Article A is used with countable. Article N is also used with countable and with consonant. Article A is used with consonant or consonant sounds and article N is used with vowel or vowel sounds. Then article the, it is definite article used with specific or unique things or nouns with both countable or uncountable nouns. It doesn't matter the noun is countable or uncountable in this case. The sun, the moon, the nature, the youngest, the tallest. These are the examples. Then use of article N. Now let's study these articles in detail. Article N. Article N is used for a word beginning with a vowel sound. We know 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. There are 26 letters of alphabets. Out of them, 5 vowels are there: A, E, I, O, U. So an egg, an ice cream, an ant, an owl. This you know very well. 5 vowels. Then vowel sounds. Vowel sounds. For example, out of 26 letters of alphabets, 5 vowels I told you: A, E, I, O, U. Now vowel sounds are also there. So these are the alphabets out of that 26 alphabets of English, A, B, C, D. So in that, these are there which gives vowel sound, which emits vowel sound. For example, look at but you are to be very careful that when these are in abbreviations are short forms. I will show you abbreviations. These are called abbreviations. For example, F, short forms: F, I, R. Full form is First Information Report. So now see: F, H, L, M, N, R, S, X. So pronunciation, we need to be careful. Exact sounds we need to know of these words. You will have to learn these things. You can make a trick as well to learn these all alphabets. These are very few alphabets. Easily we can learn them. I have made a trick. During class I will explain it. So NFIR, NLLP, NNRI, NRI, NRI, non-resident of India. X-ray, MA or MLA. From SP, my uncle is an SP, not SP, means it will give the sound of SP, A sound. So okay, now next, where H is silent. For example, an honest man, an honorable person, honorary captain. Other examples I'll come after an R, and it's an honor. So these are examples where H is silent. Then article A. Article A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a school, a bed, a man, a woman, a child, etc. Other examples: when the vowel U sounds like U, it gives y sound, by sound, which is called by sound. Like university, university. Pronunciation is university. So it is not giving now vowel sound, it is giving consonant sound. So we will use article A, not an. Again listen the sound: utensil. It is giving by sound. Utensil, utensil. A unique man, unique, by OU. Unit, by OU sound, by sound you will say. And one more such example is when vowel or vowel O sounds like W, it will give W sound, not O sound. So now A, one-eyed man, a one-eyed man. So this is, then we don't use article A before uncountable or plural nouns. So this you are to remember. Then let's go ahead. Use of article the. It's most important. Most of your worksheets are based upon article the. So let's listen carefully. Article the is used to tell if someone or something is unique or specific, means special. So it is also used with superlative degree and with the things which are repeated second time. There are many rules which I am going to discuss with you. Let's see the application of the rules. Rule 1. It is used with the name of rivers, seas, oceans and mountain ranges, etc. The Himalayas, the Ganges River, In English, pronunciation is not Ganga, Ganges we can say. The Arabian Sea, the Pacific, you will use the here as well. The Pacific Ocean. Then rule 2, application. It is used before superlative degrees, and degrees we have studied in adjectives, simple degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Simple degree we use for simple degree, and then comparative, then superlative degrees we use for comparisons. For example, the tallest, the youngest, the brightest. Next, it is used before the noun mentioned second time. I saw a man in the street. The man was carrying a bag. I saw a man in the street. Now this man we are repeating second time, like noun, man, who is noun, man is noun here. So he is repeated here second time, and when it is repeated, then we use article the. You will use repeated second time, then you can remember it easily. You will use article the. Was carrying a bag. Okay, then next, it is used with the names. Article the, it is means article the is used with the name of unique objects. Unique objects, natural objects, the earth, the sky, the weather, the nature, with directions, the east, the west. I have taken 2 examples, there are many. Before the names of newspaper and magazines, the Tribune, the Times of India. Then sixth rule is application with the name of religious books, for example, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible. With historical buildings, there are many historical buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, etc. With historical events, the Battle of Panipat, the Partition of India. When common noun is made proper, he is the Newton of the class. He is the Newton of the class. So, this is all about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.